Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm going to review a nail polish dryer. If you are a mom like me, there's never time for you to have the right nail polish. See, I'm always like this. Most of the times I have my nails plain. I really like to polish my nails, but I always have to do something. I have to warm up some food, I have to cook, I have to do some crafts with my kids. So I really needed a product just like this to get my nails done and dried as soon as possible, because I only have like maybe 15 minutes or so they can really be dry to keep going with all the duties and things that I have to do as a mom. This product really came really handy. So I'm gonna try it right now and tell you how it works. And here we have this 2-in-1 nail polish dryer, and we are going to make the test in this video. This product was sent to me so I could review it and show it to you. So thank you very much for the trust to Touch Beauty Essentials for sending me this one. Let's see now how it works. It says UV and fan dryer, and it looks like it is really small because, you know, this is the size of my hand. Okay, so let's open it. It's really cute, it's really small. It needs batteries, AAA batteries. Let me find some batteries and I'll be back. I just finished painting my right hand. It's 11:54 here. Let's see how long it will take for these to really dry them. Okay, so as you can see, this little small device, it makes a lot of noise. It is really noisy. This is the downside that I think about this. It does work. You can get your nail polish dried in about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and it will stay dry even if you go to bed. But it is really noisy. In my case, I don't mind that much, but for some people it might matter, so I just wanted you to consider this fact. It's 11:58 and I think this one is pretty dry. This one is still fresh. This one is still fresh. This one is dry. These two are dry. This one is still fresh. But the other hand, it seems that it's almost dry. So let's... Do you feel dry? I'm gonna leave leave the link to this product in the description down below. If you're interested in getting something like this, go to my description box and you will find the exact same there. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.